Hi, so we're looking at CAT 2020 DLR slot 3 set 1. So let's look at how to go about approaching. Now this was one of the toughest set in the slot 3. As a matter of fact, maybe the toughest set across. A lot of data is given to you and you think twice before answering this question, but there are 6 questions in it. So you will have to take a call whether you're really good at DLR or not, and based on that you can pick up a set. But anyway, let's try to look at this particular set and understand the data. So this is the data given to you where you have total of 205 trees divided over 4 people in 12 plots, 3 rows and 4 columns mentioned out here. So plots XYZ as mango tree, pine tree, and teak tree. So there is X, mango, teak, and pine. So let's try to put the data as and when we read and try to get in the information. So I have these are questions which are there. You can try solving it on your own if you want. So let's start with this. I just removed a few data from here. Try to put relevant data so that I can have information in the question. Uh, so yes, each plot had trees in, first of all, X, Y, Z has mangoes. X had mango trees, Y had teak trees, and Z has pine trees. Each plot had trees in a non-zero multiples of 3 or 4. And so I'm just writing it down so that I don't forget. So each trees were all in a multiple of 3 and 4. None of the plots had the same number of trees. Okay, so none of them had same. Each daughter had got even number of plots. So even plots to each daughter. Then Ava got 20 trees more than Chitra. So I'll just write this right. Ava got 20 trees more than Chitra, but 6 less than Dipte. The largest number of trees is in a plot is 32, but it was not Aba. So largest is 32, but not Aba. The number of teak trees in column 3 was double that of in column 2. So if you look at teak trees in column 3 is double of column 2. So I mean, let's say if this is K, this will be 2K, but half that of column 4. So I mean, this will be 4K. Both Abba and Meena got higher number of plots than Dipti. So total at 12 plots, remember that. So if Abba and Beena got higher plots than Dipti, uh, and they got even number of plots, that means automatically Dipti must have got 2 plots. Abba and Beena must have got 4 plots, which also means that Chitra must have got 2 plots. Right? Total 12 plots. Abba and Meena got more plots than Dipti, and all of them got even plots. So automatically from that we can make out Dipti has to be 2, can't be 4. If Dipti is 4, then Abba Bina will be 6, 6, but we have only 12 plots. So Dipti has to be 2, Abba Bina has to be 4, 4, and C has to be 2. Then only Bina, Chitra, and Dipti got corner plots. So corner plots B, C, D got it. Means A did not get a corner plot. Dipti got 2 adjoining plots in the same row. So Dipti's plots were adjoining in the same row. Same row. Then Bina was the only one who got a plot in each row and each column. So Bina got 4. So Bina got plots on each row, each column. Chitra and Dipti did not get plots which were adjacent to each other. But Chitra's and Dipti's plots cannot be adjacent to each other. Right. So from this, can I make out? So I'll come back to this immediately. And a number of mango trees were double that of teak trees. So mango was double that of tree. So that means if this is L, this will be 2L. Okay, mango is double that of teak. So I come back to the 8th one. Chitra and Dipti did not get plots that were adjacent to each other. That means Dipti cannot be adjacent to Chitra. So where can Dipti be? Dipti cannot be on the x2, can't be on y2, can't be on y3, can't be on z3. So automatically we can make out that Dipti has to be on the third and fourth plot of x. There's no other way because it has got 2 adjacent plots on the same row. If it's got 2 adjacent plots in the same row, that means the only place that Dipti can get which is not adjacent to C is on third and fourth plot in row x. So we got D. So since we're getting the names of the plots, let's keep on getting the names of the plot. Now, Bina has got in each row and column. That means the last column Bina should have got. So that means Bina is there in the 4th column. First row also Bina should have got somewhere. So Bina has got in the first row. Second row and third column also Bina should have got. So Bina should have got here. So we get Bina's 4. So Bina has got in each row and column. So we use that information. So as in when I'm using the data, I'm just circling it off so I don't have to read it again. Okay, now what else can I use? I see there is K, 2K, 4K. Can I use this data? Because I don't get any other data. Okay, I have this data also. A and B have 4 plots. So A have already got 2 plots, and there since only 2 places left, the remaining 2 plots have to be of A. Because C 2 plots are already done, right? D 2 plots are done. So A 4 plots. So I've got the plot for each person. So this is data I have used. Right? So I've used this. Now from the remaining data, corner is not A, that also I've used. Largest is 32 is not A, I have to still use that. Okay, and this. So what can I use further? So one thing you can use is K, 2K, 4K. We know that all the trees are multiple of 3 or 4. So if K is 3, just I'll write separately. What are the possible values? 3, 6 and 12. But 12 not possible because there cannot be same trees in any of the two blocks. And 12 is already there. Next is 4, 8, 16 looks possible. So I put 4, 8, 16 is possible. Then next is 6, 12, 20. Again 12 is not possible. 8, 16, 32. But if I put 8, 16, 32, 32 will be A, and I very clearly mentioned A cannot be 32. That means the only possible value for K, 2K and 4K is 4, 8 and 16. There's one more approach of getting this value by using the options. I mean, you can see the only option that can be possible in this case is 84 and 98 for the first question, and you can still get the answer. For example, 49 cannot be possible because number of mango trees is double even number, so this is not possible. 126, if mango trees and teak trees will be 63, this itself will be 189, and there will be very few trees, that is around 16 trees for pine, but there are already 28 and 9 trees for pine, so even this is not possible. So only 84, 98 is possible. You can substitute and check out what will satisfy for teak. From there also you'll get 4, 8 and 16. Either way you can use. So you can use the option or you can directly use K, 2K, 4K. Now once I use this, then I know that number of teak trees which I used total is 21 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16. So which if you add it up, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 4, 28 plus 21 will give you 49. Which means the mango trees will be 98. So this together will give you 147. So this will be 58 trees. Right, so we got this. Now once we got this 58, we also know that 9 and 28 is gone. That means the first two values out here, 28 plus 9 is 37. So B plus C will be 21. So these two together is 21. Right? So B and C you got 21. And out here 98, 12 is gone. The remaining 3 has to be 86. The remaining 3 sum has to be 86. We know the highest is 32. So highest is 32 out here. So what is left is 54. So when you say 54, how can you break it up so that it's a multiple of 3 and 4 and still lesser than 32? You can make out that 30 and 24 is possible. Technically nothing else is possible. Okay, 30 and 24 is possible. You can't break it up as 28 and 26 because 26 is not a multiple of 3 or 4. So only 30 and 24 are possible. So we know the values out here will be either 30, 24 or 32. So this is the data we have got. So what have we used? That 32A is not we have used, and even number of plots we have used. Note two of them have got the same number of plots. In that case 21, how can I break up 21? I can break up as 3 and 18, that's one way. 4 and 17 is not possible. I can break up as 6 and 15, that is another way which is possible. Okay, 6 and 15. So again 9 and 12 not possible. So these are two ways I can break it up. So I got a number of ways. So no same trees in any places and multiple of 3 and 4. So I almost used all the data. So now maybe what you can do is maybe you can use the numbers in the options and then try to solve and try to get the answer. For example, I know how many trees A has got totally. 21 plus 4, 25, 25 plus 16, 41 plus 9, 50. So I know A has got 50 trees. So second is A option. Second question, I know A option. So I know number of trees by 50, 69, 30 and 56. Okay, which you can get the answer. And how many mango trees are there in total? We know 98. So we get the answer for these two. Now using the answer for the second question, let's try to fill up the data which is there. So I know D has got 56. So D has got 56. The only way you can get 56 is 24 and 32. So this is 24 and 32 trees. I don't know which is which, but 24, 32. Which means B would have got 30. So B has got 30. Now we are left with B and C total out here. So we know the total number of trees of C is 30. So here already 12 is there. So this has to be 18, 30. So here B will be 3. With that, I have filled the data completely. So now I look at the question. The first two I have answered, 98 and A option. How many pine trees did Chitra receive? Pine tree is the Z column. She has got 18 trees. So B option. Who got the plot with the smallest number of trees? We can see B has got 3 trees, smallest. C option. Which of following statement is not true? Bina has got 32 trees. If you look at total of Bina is 31, not 32. So A is not true. I'll just complete the next one. Chitra got 12. If I have mango trees, if you look at C has got 12 mango trees is true. A has got 41 tea trees, yes. 21 plus 4 plus 16 was 41 that we calculated earlier. And Dipti got 56 mango trees. So if you look at mango trees, Dipti 24 plus 32 is 56. Yes, that also satisfies. So A is the answer. Which column had the highest number of trees? So I look at first column is low, I can leave that. Second column also looks low, I can leave that. Should be third or fourth. So if you look at 4, 28 plus 16, that high trees is already 44. 44, even if it is 24, we don't know what is the tree in X has got in column 4. Even if it is 24, it will become 68. That will be higher in any other columns. Because even if X3 is 32, the column will have lesser number of trees than 68. 68 look as the highest trees. So the answer will be 4. So fourth column, C. So with this, we get the entire answer. Yes, it is a lot of data. So trying to figure out which data is important first is very important. And interpreting the data becomes very important. Once you interpret the data, then maybe you can get the answer. The key out here was to find out that Chitra and Dipti did not get plots that were adjacent to each other. Okay, from that we got Dipti's plot, and they also mentioned that Dipti got 2 adjoining plots. If you look at combining these two, you get a Dipti plot. That's where you could start because more information was given about plots. Also, the fact that Abba and Bina got a higher number of plots than Dipti, and they all got even number of plots. Okay, that also could this one even number of plots. That also helped to exactly get the which plot is got by whom. We get the complete data. Once you got the plots by whom, then we look at the numbers, which you can take the hint of k, 2k, 4k, or you can use the option also. If you're stuck, always use the options. You can actually use the option also and get the answer. Either way, you can go approach and still get the answer. Right? Thank you.